The Commonwealth Human Rights Initiative welcomes the progress noted by the government of St. Kitts and Nevis, especially in relation to the ratification of the UN Convention Against Torture and the Convention on the Rights of Persons with Disabilities. We also appreciate the robust efforts made by the government to enhance social security and protection, especially to minimize the impact of the COVID 19 pandemic and to tackle gender based violence. However, we are concerned that the government has noted a total of 96 out of 165 recommendations on a range of human rights issues, which include ratification of key human rights instruments such as the International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights, the International Covenant on Economic, Social and Cultural Rights, and the optional protocols to the Convention on the Rights of the Child. Despite repeated recommendations, the government has not taken any action on acceding to the protocol relating to the status of refugees. It has noted all recommendations on adopting a national system for refugee determination and enacting a legislation for the protection of their rights. We call on the government of St. Kitts and Nevis to take all necessary measures to reinforce its commitment to the 1951 Refugee Convention. Lastly, we urge the government to re-examine the recommendations and take steps towards: first, decriminalizing consensual same-sex relations between adults and enacting a comprehensive anti-discrimination law; second, establishing an independent national human rights institution in the country in line with the Paris Principles; third, ensuring that its 2018 Freedom of Information Act is effectively implemented and is in line with international standards; fourth, creating an effective, responsive and inclusive strategy to tackle climate change; and fifth, harmonizing the legal age of sexual consent and the age of majority, in addition to raising awareness among adolescents and providing them access to reproductive and sexual healthcare facilities. We thank you.